Hello, people. That is it. End of the week. Just getting started a little bit earlier because we're already seeing price move, and gold also is already moving. So I wanted to just jump on and we can actually just quickly get started because I'm only going to be in this trade not for too much long, I don't think. But we're going to go through what has happened so far, and anybody that's in the stream, drop me a note, tell me what you're looking at, tell me what you're trading, and we'll just jump on. I'm taking this really chill. Obviously we're going to wait and see what happens with this gold trade, and then I'm going to go and just mark out some of my levels, think about how this week has actually been, the trading week, the structures, what should I expect for next week, what has just happened after NFP, what is that telling us, and so on and so forth. So first of all, let's just have a look and see what actually happened with NFP. We got a little bit of news coming out very soon, but there you go. So NFP obviously came out at 37, which was worse than expected, which is interesting. Obviously gold is pushing up, so instability into the labor markets, people rushing into putting money into more safety. So there you go. So maybe that's the reasons why people are running into gold. Gold is obviously pardon me, I've still got a bit of a cold, still in bullish market structure anyway. So the expectation would be for it to break out of that high. You had that kind of flaggish type of pattern. I speak about them all the time, and now we've had a break above. So my take profit is just for the break above that level right there. So just a bit higher than that level. Ideally it would be actually at the top of that level, but we'll wait and see what happens. See if we can get quite a nice spike. What's going on, Abdullah? Yeah. Also, the FTSE had really nice trades on today. We'll talk about that as well. So market structure is probably the be all and end all, I would say, to markets. You know, higher highs, higher lows, trended markets, and the market structure on assets like the FTSE and gold, they're just really good to trade. So today's trade, again, we had a push off of all these EMAs. We had this drifting bit of price action. So you can see this area. Now this drifting bit of price action. And then from there, we're just carrying on with that break, retest, continuation all the way up. At the moment, it's done it again. It's taken out these lows right here. So you can see these weak lows that tend to hold a lot of orders underneath. Wicked, found a lot of orders, pushed back up, and there you go. You're starting to see a little bit more momentum up on the FTSE as well. Let's have a look at silver. Silver, the Asian range is still intact. It's pushed up from Asia. It's been pretty bullish all day. We had a bit of a rundown to take out some of those weak lows, which we can see here. To take out some of those weak lows, push back up, making the bullish market structure again. And I do think the continuation is still on for silver. If we have a look at the 4 hour, completely super bullish. See how EU reacted. So EU currently is in a higher time frame, lower lows and lower highs. I'm not going to talk too much, guys, because I have got a bit of a cough. But as you can see, the Asian range after the news, it was already broken, came back up, tapped the top, took out all of the highs, and now it's continuing with its overall idea. It is stalling just a little bit, struggling to break out of, you got these highs here. What about you, Abdullah? What are you trading today? What have you been looking at? We can have a look at GU. Same type of thing. Asian range got taken. The bottom pushed back up, taking the whole thing. Come to the EMA. Now continuing, also back down in its original path. Which, to be fair, I think we've got. I think we've got this level down here. EU on a higher time frame. Let's mark some higher time frame levels. So we're coming in obviously to this area of demand right now. The next level we've got is probably around there. I wouldn't really want to be shorting inside this. It's a little bit late, I think, to short. Even though we've broken all of the EMAs, you're also shorting into the middle of a range. On like on 4 hour, obviously it's still short. 1 hour, it's still short. Maybe we can get a feel of that wick, but I wouldn't really want to be shorting within this area. Ideally, looking for you'd really want to see kind of signals for taking some longs, but there's no signal for this. So for me, it's just a no trade. I wouldn't be shorting it. USD CHF has taken out those highs. So the next place would be at the top of this range, which would be up here. So any type of break, retest, continuation trade, that's what I would be looking for. Looks like gold's coming down. Might come to take me out. Couldn't quite push up. You can see it's wicked up above all of this. Couldn't actually break through. See what happens in the next 30 seconds. I've also got another, where my stop loss is my entry of my first position on a different account. So that's my overall entry. And my stop on that is underneath the impulse of the NFP candle. So that's my my proper trade. But seeing as we're jumping on live and it's still long, I decided to get into it on here, which might take me out. FTSE's still pushing up. It's been incredible how bullish the FTSE actually is. My stop's a little bit tight on this, in all fairness. So it's coming up to a 50 EMA. A little bit of a reaction to it, not much. See, all of these lows are just holding through lots of liquidity as well, which I'm a part of. So my orders are there as well. So it's a little bit tight. What's going on, boys? What about crypto? Are you in the same cycle camp, but this time is different? Is this time different? I don't think so. I think let's have a look. What's really different about? There's nothing really different about this. We've broken higher time frame levels. All of the EMAs are pointing downwards. You know, you've got this wick underneath here. I do think we've got possibility to go to 100 before we come down to break this lows. But at the moment, it's broke. It's broke structure, in my opinion. Obviously, this is a pivot low and a pivot high, but maybe a wick of that level. So let's say we come down, we have a wick of that level, kind of like this deviation, consolidation, and then maybe a push up. I don't know what to tell you. All I know at the moment is like I wouldn't be wanting to long this right now. Longing this higher time frame is not a good idea. You know, like you've got a flag. Like if that was me, I would be. If this was the opposite trade, I would be looking to long this to take out that level. So for me, it's just short. It just looks like it's coming down. There you go. Came out, took me out underneath here. I'm happy to get a re-entry. I am happy to get a re-entry if this pushes up right now. Let's just wait and see what happens. Some people say because the institutions have come in, there won't be a bear market in this cycle. Look, crypto is one of those things that is very, very emotionally led as well. if things start to really start pushing and cracking and going down, then I'm sure people will start selling off. You'd be surprised. Crypto can sell off fast. There'll be, I'm sure, a bear market, you know, who knows? I can only tell you when we're in it. We're not really in a bear market at the moment. Let's have a look at what GU and EU are doing. Yeah, they're just coming down. USD is getting stronger, building up a little bit of momentum. Gold just come back down onto that level. So I'm still in my other position. So this is the other position. Not on... okay. So we're still in it. Came so close to my... so close to the TP. I think with crypto as well, that there's a lot more, it's going to be less volatile, if I know what I mean. Like when the times where it is just volatile, you know, something happens in the market, then, you know, it starts moving crazy. They're still going to have times like that, but I think day to day trading and stuff, I don't think normal market conditions is going to be as volatile as what it was a few years ago. You know, normally the more liquid something gets, the less volatile it is. But then again, just look at EU. EU has some cracking days. Also, it depends what you're going to do with it. Are you going to are you trading crypto, or are you looking to invest in crypto? I just invest in crypto now. I don't trade it. I've had my fair share. I've been beaten up by crypto. I love how gold comes in, takes everybody out, starts then just trickling up, pushing up. Beg your pardon for my my cough, but can't get rid of it, unfortunately. It's one thing with gold though, you've got to watch where you're putting your stops. Because if you put them in weak areas, it's bound to come and take you out. Beaten up in which coin? I've had my fair share of beatings in crypto. I remember my first beating was ETH in 2018 when I was trying to short an all-time high. I need forever, my guy. How you doing, bro? Where else have I had a beating in crypto? I had an FTM beating, and that was on spot. I had a massive spot position. And they changed it over from FTM to Sonic, and that just destroyed the coin. That was a big fumble. I made an interesting bet on Melania Trump's coin. God, I put like 10 soul in that thing. My question is this going to break the high and then push higher to 45.16? To there? Or is it going to stall? It looks at the moment, if we have a look at the 15-minute, get rid of my, it looks like it really wants to push higher. We've had all of that consolidation out of the day as well. We're only on 0.36% into profits, not into profits, into the percent. So I think this has got legs to really go up higher. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Where are you based, Raul? You're based where in India are you based? Do you know what? With Melania, it was like, okay, so Trump's coin made everybody absolute millions. And it was like, I'm not going to get into the top on that. And then, so I'm going to find the next best thing. I thought everybody would. I thought everybody would go into that, but they didn't. It just got shorted. Hey, bro, what's going on? You alright? Yeah, we're nearly at TP. Yeah, bro, that's what I like. Well done, mate. Well done. Top stuff. Alright, I'm doing well, man. It's been a very busy day. I know you're probably waiting for me to reply to you. I'm with you though, bro. Don't worry. How's your trading been today? Let me have a look while I'm on while we're just chilling for a little bit. Let's have a look. I haven't seen it yet. Where is it, bro? I can't see it. Ah, I like it, man. I like it. I do. Will I try and put it on? Let me see if I can put it on and we can try it while I'm on stream now. We'll see how it works. So I started trading in 2018 with crypto. And I started trading Forex in 2022. It took me a little bit of time to get crypto to get Forex. It took me a little bit of time to get profitable. But overall, probably seriously taking trade probably around about 2022, really, when I first started in prop. That's when I was like, okay, I'm going to take this properly seriously. And I've withdrawn a good amount of cash. Nothing crazy. Enough to go on a lot of holidays and lots of spending money. Wait, so I'm not gonna put it on screen right now because there's I need to download it and then put it on, but we're gonna try it out. We're definitely gonna try it out. Raul, what did you think was the what do you like about FundingRock the most? And tell me a little bit about your trading story, man. How long have you been trading for? What have you found is easy? What have you found has been difficult? Oh no, did it just spike the top of that? It's happened to me twice today. One time on the FTSE. I will put my stops to break even though. No. So the reason why I'm putting my stops for break even, because we've already come down and taken out the lows. We've already pushed up, now we've taken out highs. So if it comes down, I think we're going to come down and it's going to be a bit of a deeper retracement. Because now it just looks like we've got a possibility of ranging, and I don't want to be stuck in a range right now. Yeah, bro. Come over to Discord. Nice, man. I'm glad you like it. Oh, I got a quick email that I've got to go through, guys. So if I'm not talking for a couple of seconds, that's the reason. I'll send the Discord server link here. All right. Could you send over a Discord server link quickly? I just got to write a quick email. It's quite important. Because we're doing double the work. Actually, you know what? I think I can do it here. Yep. That was quick. All right, I think we're getting to TP. No way. I've got literally like one pip on here. Nearly there. Literally, like that's what it is. Go on. No, you're joking me. So Denzel and Wilski, they were only here just as guests for a little bit of time. Maybe we'll have them again in the future. Saki joins once in a while, depends. You know, people have been on holidays and stuff, but we'll bring more people in. because everything we've only just started. Everything's a little bit, you know, everything's still quite new. We just once we get a little bit going, we get C Trader and stuff like that, and the live streams grow, then we will we'll bring some more people on the live streams. Isn't this crazy? It was like one, not even a pip. That was like spread. That's frustrating. Yeah, we'll put them in the Discord. We'll have them here in the Discord. You've got the only Alex FX or the right. There's the one that I'm using in the Discord. Make sure you're sending it to the FundingRock. Alex, that's the right username to send the friend request to. As if, come on. What's it doing? Sorry about this, guys. I've just got to write this email. You're going to hold me to this. Hold me to this. Monday. Has to be. Because I know the team here have been very busy coming into the new year. It should have got done. But yeah, you'll get an email. I'll get the email sorted, and on Monday we will push it out, and the winner for that will get chosen. Don't worry. I appreciate you for coming in and mentioning it. As if. Hold on a second. Am I still not getting taken out of this trade? What is going on with this gold trade? Jatender is missing. Jatender's always missing. We've got to bring him in here. Have I ever visited India? Not yet, but it is on my list. I like driving motorbikes, and India's a really nice place in the mountains and stuff. So one day I'll get there. I'm gonna call it because I've got a bit of work to do, guys. And this trade at the moment is just playing around, so not gonna do too much. But anyway, have a lovely weekend. Rest up. Plan out what you're gonna do for the market when it comes in on Monday. And that is it from me. Take care, and Raul, well done, mate. Well done for passing. And we'll see you in the next one, all right? Bye. That's it, traders. So if you're ready to take your evaluation, you can go in the link in the description. You can start today. But if you're here just for the content, then make sure you like and subscribe to make sure that you don't miss